EagleRidge, Utah. Premier Bathroom Remodeling in Herriman. EagleRidge, Utah is the premier choice for bathroom remodeling in Herriman, Utah, 84496. Known for superior craftsmanship and dedication to excellence, EagleRidge provides a seamless remodeling experience tailored to your needs. Serving Herriman and the surrounding areas, including zip code 84096, their expertise enhances space efficiency, maximizes storage, and increases property value. EagleRidge offers a full range of services, including the installation of beautiful bathroom products, such as tubs, showers, enclosures, sinks, toilets, mirrors, fixtures, and lighting. They also specialize in custom cabinetry, tile work, and more. Their team handles design and planning, demolition, and the removal of old fixtures, as well as necessary structural modifications. From plumbing installation and electrical work to ventilation system upgrades and waterproofing, EagleRidge ensures every detail is covered. They install drywall, tile for floors, walls, and showers, and handle bathtub, shower, toilet, vanity, and sink replacements. If you want to add a personal touch, EagleRidge provides countertop and mirror installations, cabinet installation or refacing, and a variety of flooring options like tile, vinyl, and hardwood. Additional services in Herriman, Utah, 84096 include painting, trim and molding installation, door and window replacements, and fixture installations such as towel bars and toilet paper holders. They also offer storage solutions, accessibility modifications like grab bars and walk-in tubs, heated flooring installation, and smart technology integrations, including smart mirrors and toilets. For those seeking a luxurious bathroom upgrade, EagleRidge can install custom cabinetry, decorative elements like wainscoting and chair rails, soundproofing, skylights, radiant heating, fireplaces, saunas, steam rooms, jacuzzis, spa tubs, bidets, aromatherapy systems, and water filtration systems. EagleRidge's attention to detail ensures that your bathroom remodel is completed with precision, followed by a thorough cleaning and debris removal. For a free estimate, contact EagleRidge in Herriman at 801-784-1457 and begin transforming your bathroom today. Call now and let EagleRidge help you create the bathroom of your dreams.